Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Today we got our 2011 Jeep Compass. This was a local trade. It was very well maintained. It is the Latitude package. That's going to give you your premium alloy wheels. And of course, this one has your sunroof. Has the rear tinted windows. And folks, I can tell you this one is very clean. So you have ample storage area there. The rear seats do lay in a 60-40 split that'll give you plenty of room to haul about anything you need. It does have the Boston Acoustics audio, and one of my favorite features, you have the folding speakers out of the rear liftgate. Talk about a good feature. If you can imagine being out tailgating or wherever you want to go, and you have good audio right there. So you have ample room there, and your rear seats do recline, and again, they will lay forward. You have your power windows. It does have the height adjustable seat. This one does have your cruise control, as well as the duplicate audio controls on the back of the steering wheel. This one has very low miles, so you do get your upgraded audio there with your auxiliary input, heated seats, and of course your Tiptronic transmission. And again, looking inside, you can see that this thing is very clean. Outside is spotless, and I tell you, for a smaller SUV and an awesome price range with very low miles, this is the one for you. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or text us at 540-433-7335. And thanks again for stopping by.